Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on XIAOMI Redmi K70. So you have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on parental controls and then click get started. Now select child or teenager and then click next. Now click on add or create account for your child. And here you have to enter your child's email address. And click next. Now you have to enter your password. And now click I agree. Now click accept. And here you have to select your account. And now you have to enter your parent email address. And click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll down, and here you have to type in your child password again. Now click next, and here you have to scroll down, and then click next. Now click next. Here you can click install family link, or you can click skip and then you can install this app manually. And now click on review controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.